Hey, folks.
Hi, Tracy.
Hey,
Good morning. Hello, everybody. Yeah, I saw Oleg's note that he's unable to chair and he's had a family emergency. So I don't know if we have any pressing topics. I think GSOC is ongoing, and if there's any other topics folks would like to cover, let me know. Otherwise, we can just skip and leave any pressing ones till, well, not pressing ones till next time.
The only one I have is Hacktoberfest.
Okay, yeah, that's a great one.
If you look at the DigitalOcean website, everything is still 2020. And I wasn't sure if anybody's heard anything about this year's Hacktoberfest, if they're doing it or not. Like the Twitter account is still referring to 2020, their webpage.
And if I recall, last year, by this time, they had already started activities and it looked alive.
Yeah, so I wasn't sure if anybody knew if it's happening or not, or.
Yeah, anyone with connections with DigitalOcean who might know?
I have no connections, but signs aren't good.
It's like they just disappeared.
Yeah, I'll try and ask around and see if there's any other folks at the Links Foundation who might have some insights. But yeah, I think it's surprisingly quiet, which I don't know, might be a pandemic thing or might be a refocus. So I'll try and dig that out. Yeah, if we are planning to go ahead in kind of the same vein as last year, but yeah, it'll be good to know if that's going to be a reality.
Yeah, because from the Ortelia side, we have all of our landing pages and everything in place based on last year's, but just need to find out if they're gonna, change in the rules or anything like that for this year, or if it, like I said, or if it's even happening. If you could reach out to the folks at the Linux Foundation, that'd be great.
Okay, I can ping folks and ask. Okay, let's get a GSOC update. Tara.
Good morning. Yeah. So last week we had our, was it last week? I think it was last week. The days, they blur. We had the part 1 of 2 of the final presentations. And then this week on Thursday, we will have part 2 of 2. And then we will be done. I believe we did achieve 100% completion for all the projects. So that's we'll have some nice video footage to splice for next year's solicitation. There was one other thing I was going to mention about this. Slipped my mind. All right, if I think of it, I'll bring it back up.
Great. Yeah, 100% completion, especially in this day and age, is pretty awesome. So thanks for that.
Yeah, the GSOC folks sent out this fairly scary looking email that initially had me confused because they were talking about how, students wandering away and failing to pass the projects was common, and here's some guidance for how to follow. I figured out it was like a bulk email, and I was like frantically going, like, wait a minute, all of our students finished. But anyway, so I guess it was a problem, but not with our stuff. And I think honestly, a huge part of that was the mentor commitments. Each of the students had 2 or 3 mentors who are very engaged. So that was a really critical part of the success, I think.
Awesome. Great. And yeah, we'll be looking forward to doing that again all next year. Cool. Anything else in GSOC?
Nothing for me.
Okay, I think those are the main topics. I was going to add, I saw Andrea on here. I know you have the KubeCon talk and there's lots of activity with the event SIG. I was wondering, is that something we could schedule maybe at one of the TOC meetings to kind of summarize the activities of the standardized events and share that feedback, almost like maybe a preview of your talk and for feedback from the group.
Yeah, sure. I guess we could do that maybe next TOC meeting. Maybe.
Yeah. If you're open to that, I can sync with Oleg and we can get that on the agenda.
Yeah, that's fine.
Great. Okay. So those are all the items I had. Does anyone else have any other topics or something you're waiting on feedback, or take advantage of the folks on the call to introduce a topic that you'd like some input or build up some momentum around or some discussion for?
I'm good for now. I think the event SIG is, we've been waiting for Andre to come back because he's the big decision maker and everything.
Sorry,
So
who is that?
Andre.
Okay, yeah.
No, we've had a lot of people out on the event SIG just because of summer. So
Yeah.
things are starting to pick up.
Okay. Yeah, no, I'm excited about that. And yeah, let's get that going next month. Okay, let's leave it there then. You can all go enjoy the last day of August before September rolls on. So thanks, everybody.
All right, bye.